Today I'm going to show you step by step how to add a shop announcement to your Etsy page in your Etsy profile. This is a great way to bring in more sales or to say thank you or whatever you want to do. So today we're going to add this little shop announcement. Buy 3 more items, get 30% off your order. So let's jump in. First thing we're going to do from the Etsy homepage is go to your shop manager. So up in the upper right hand corner. Then what you're going to do is you're going to look on this left hand panel, and this little guy down here, he can go in and out. So we're going to go out, and next to your name under sales channels is Etsy, and then I can see my channel name is Freedom in a Budget. So then you're going to hit the pencil icon. If you're interested, I do have a course by a friend of mine, Sharon, who teaches you how to make $1,000 in passive income on Etsy by selling digital downloads, which is exactly what I sell. And she is the master Etsy. As you can see, $29,000 here. She is just incredible. So I'll have a link to this course down below if you are interested. Trust me, it is so valuable, so much information in this course. It's awesome. So it'll be linked down below in the description box. Then here is a place that you can edit different parts of your shop. What you're going to do to add a shop announcement or edit a shop announcement in your Etsy page is to scroll down past all of your listings. Then you're going to see announcement. So you can do add shop announcement, and here you can type your announcement. You can also add emojis as well. They will come through. So I'm just adding fun little emojis just because they catch your eye. So buy 3 or more items and get 30% off your order. This is a setting in your sales. So if you want a video on how to change your sales and add sales, check out that video. I'll have it linked down below. And then you're going to hit save. So now when I go to preview my page, here it is. So on top of my announcements, you can see announcement, buy 3 or more items and get 30% off your order. So that is how you add a shop announcement. Let me know what other Etsy videos that you want me to do, other tutorials. I am more than happy to do them. Comment down below what other tutorials you'd like me to do.